Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry tasty. Start by toasting whole spices in a dry pan, then add finely chopped onions and cook until caramelized for depth. Sear proteins to develop brown crust and add spices early to bloom their flavor. Finish with acid, salt, and a touch of sweetness, then rest the curry off heat to let flavors meld before serving for best results. Begin by blooming your ground spices in warm oil until fragrant, then add aromatics and cook slowly for a layered base. Deglaze the pan with a splash of stock or coconut milk to lift brown bits and build body. Simmer gently, allowing flavors to reduce and concentrate while stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste during cooking and adjust salt, acid, or sweetness to achieve a balanced and satisfying curry. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanups effortless, and its smart mapping saves time after cooking. It's a handy helper so you can focus on flavors rather than crumbs, and it even tackles pet hair with ease. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control texture by choosing coconut milk for silky richness or yogurt for tangy creaminess, adding at low heat to prevent splitting. Thicken naturally by mashing some vegetables into the sauce or reducing liquid gently over simmer heat. Add a finishing fat like a spoon of ghee or a drizzle of oil for glossy mouthfeel. Always rest the curry briefly so flavors settle, then garnish just before serving for a fresh finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.